Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can move photo albums into a group in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Gallery app. In here, choose Albums at the bottom. And in Albums, make sure that you have already got a group in here. If you haven't got a group, you can tap on the Option key from the pop-up, tap on Create Group, and you can give a group a name. So I'm going to say Test Group, and then tap on Create. Now there are a few different ways how you can move photo albums into a group. Now the first way is to touch and hold onto a photo albums, and then tap on Move. And here choose the group that you want to move it to. Let's say we want to move to Test Group, and then tap on the Move Here button, and that will move it to the Test Group. And you can see that's now moved out of that. Another way to do it is to go into the Test Group, and then tap on the Option key, then tap on Add Albums. And here we're going to add in the Animal album, and then tap on Add. So you can see if we go back out, the Animal album has been moved to the test group. And in here I can touch and select, and I can move it. Sorry, not create group. I can tap on the move button, and then I go back up here and I can move it back out into the main album homes. And that's it. And that's how you can move photo albums into a group on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.